How to fix FaceTime not working on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can actually fix if your FaceTime is not working on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you're trying to FaceTime someone and then it's not actually working, you have to make sure the other person also has FaceTime. Only then you'll be able to enable those FaceTime calls. Now if it's still not working, just try to check if your internet connection is actually working just fine, and only if your internet connection is working just fine, you should be able to go ahead and then enable those FaceTime effects. Now once done, you can open the settings app, go to general, and then just go to iPhone storage. From iPhone storage, you can simply look for the FaceTime application over here. So you can go to the show all option here, and once you're done here, you can simply look for the FaceTime app. So let me also go ahead and then do that respectively here, and then tap on it. You can just try to offload the app here, tap on offload app, and then tap on reinstall button after that. After that, it should actually begin working. This way you should be able to fix if your FaceTime is not working. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.